In the previous videos, we created the parts and the final assembly of the ball bearing. In this part of the tutorial, we're going to look at the motion steady. So come to motion steady here, or click on this motion steady here to add a new motion steady. And we want a basic motion, so come to settings and then change the frames to 60 frames per second, or make the accuracy high for these two. Okay, now add the motor. So we assign the inner race as the motor, so come to this motor, Rotary Motor, and then click on this area. We'll go in the counterclockwise direction. A constant speed of 100 revolutions per minute will be okay. I'll put this here to 10 seconds. Bring this down. Playback normal, and then calculate. So the system has calculated everything. Set the playback to loop and then play from start. So this is the ball bearing moving, as we can see. You can reduce the speed, and this is what we have. So yeah, that is how to create a ball bearing with SolidWorks. You can see it is very simple to do. Thanks for watching. This is the end of the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe.